Bale una bakara ba binuna. Anong niya sa kamera singin.
Bulan Naka, Namaste to all, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning. I'm delighted to officiate the opening of this new training facility here in Wallewu this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very proud moment for me as we continue to work towards fulfilling the common vision in developing the potential of our young people. These new facilities will help us support young people better to fulfill their aspiration. They will act as a catalyst to inspire their dreams, to dream and achieve their dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, the infrastructural development of this training center is in line with the Ministry of Youth and Sports Strategic Plan 2017-2022. It also aligned with the People's Start Out to Change on Pillar 9 that promote free education, institutional program, and training recognition under the Fiji Higher Education Commission. Our training program is now recognized by the Fiji Higher Education Commission. Those who graduate are able to find work, often in the uniform service or in the entertainment industry. They also now have the option to go to FNU to further their studies in music. The most important thing is that our trainees have more choices, and they did when they first arrived here. The YTC Wallewu itself is OEHS compliant, meeting the condition of accreditation set by the Fiji Higher Commission of Fiji Higher Education Commission to improve the quality of service to our young people. The infrastructure has cost the government 1.1 million in the 2017-2018 financial year. This investment ensures compliance and the inclusiveness of our program. The YTC Wallewu is well placed to become a training center of choice for youth in Fiji for accredited music courses offered at the center. We offer an opportunity to study music culture fully free, and music and culture free of charges to certificate 4 level of FNU. It is accredited, as I've mentioned before. We are also giving meaning to South-South cooperation that has been signed by the government, as we have 2 trainees from Tuvalu here studying with our young Fijians and exchanging cultural practices to value for all trainees. In terms of equity of opportunity in training, ladies and gentlemen, the center is encouraging more women and persons with disability to enroll together with more of our Indo-Fijian youth, so we can develop a more diverse and inclusive offer. The center will introduce more female-oriented skills program in the form of short courses through the year to empower more women and disabled persons to contribute to the economy of the government. A mix of short courses will include tour guiding, electrical, driving, and tailoring. We don't have this center as for music only, for those courses that will come after that once we start in our training center. The YTC Wallewu skills training in small business training, in small business training, we also provide health and character development through drilling and much it demands discipline and gives prize for our young people attending the YTC in Waleleu. Moreover, the National Policy on Climate Change and Adaptation recognizes the need to constructive cooperation among all relevant sectors. At the YTC Waleleu awareness session will be conducted as part of the ministry contribution to climate change adaptation and disaster risk reduction. The ministry is focusing on meeting the needs of training urban youth through this training center. Free education at primary level to secondary has been implemented by government, and likewise free education at YTC Waleleu contributes to a knowledge-based society. The Ministry of Youth and Sports recognizes the importance of non-formal education and training and encouraging young people to complete school and successful transition to further education, training or work. Similarly, the tourism industry has grown rapidly in Fiji to become the single largest foreign exchange earner and employs around over 100,000 people across the country. Ladies and gentlemen, music training in Waleleu provide opportunity for young people to establish their own entertainment singing groups that can provide tourists with genuine entertainment while creating self-employment opportunities. We have embarked on Rosie's tour to promote our cultural dances and music so that we can have a sport with Rosie tours while tourists are here in Fiji. And that is where we are heading to, or the direction that the youth center in Waleleu is heading to. At the same time, the ministry can create a niche market support in Fiji's economy in sustainable way through promoting songs on YouTube and selling them through online. We will intend to support local artists this morning and opening a recording studio, and so to revive local culture to an affordable price for youth groups. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, the YTC Waleleu is designed in such a way to improve access to employment opportunities and livelihoods through vocational training, and to support lifelong learning of a person with disability and out of school and university youth. This is done through its program and institution qualification with the help of Fiji Higher Education Commission. Martin Luther King once said, and I quote, "The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education," unquote. With those few words, I have the much pleasure in declaring the new Waleleu Youth Center and the recording studio open. Vinaka, Dhanyabad, and Shukran. And thank you to all.
from previous years, this event says no matter what language you speak, a kind and smiling thank you always speaks to everyone's heart.